Today we're unboxing and checking out the ThermoPro TP157, which is a tiny device that gives out a temperature and humidity reading. So I'd been looking for something like this because I do a lot of 3D printing and humidity can be quite important. So I was very curious when I seen this online and bought it. And when it arrived, I was amazed how small the actual box for it was. It even included a AAA battery in that tiny box too. And the device itself is just really pretty sweet. So as you can see, this is what we have. And of course, we have our instructions that come with the device as well, although you're really not going to need them. As all you need to do is peel this, add the battery into the battery compartment, and you can switch it on. And you'll notice on the back, we have a button to change the temperature readout from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We also have 3 different ways to mount this. So we've got a hole for a screw or nail head in order to hang it from. We also have a magnet and we have a kickstand. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. Now, battery life here is supposed to be very long, 18 to 24 months on one AAA battery. Of course, I haven't had it long enough to do a test on that yet, but if I get anywhere near that kind of lifetime with this, that will be excellent. And now that it's powered, it's going to slowly change over time to show us the correct temperature of the room and the humidity. So this will take a little bit of time, but I've found it to be extremely accurate. The temperature's bang on, the humidity's bang on. It's so far pretty damn good. And I think this product is a 10 out of 10. I really love the size of it. It seems to work great. The battery life could be excellent. Yeah, there's really nothing to complain about. I think this is an absolutely brilliant little product. And for the price, it's well worth picking up. You'll find a link in the description below.